Hi there, dreamers! I'm excited to share a time lapse of my latest painting, the Geode. It's part of my Dream and Light collection where I really dive into the concepts and images that I just need to get out of my head. So basically, these are random ideas that I feel compelled to paint and put down paper. So, what inspired me to paint a geode? Well, it all goes back to my childhood. When I thought of treasures, it's not really about the treasure chest for me because I always feel like the chest itself has limit, but the idea of discovering a hidden cavity in the earth overflowing with unlimited crystals and diamonds. Now that's sounds more like a real treasure. And that's what I wanted to capture in this painting, the luxurious feeling that reflects the inner desire of abundance. Ah! When I'm painting the geode, I focused on two main concepts, the composition and the depth perception. The composition comes in when all the surrounding crystals are facing the centerpiece crystal, and the centerpiece crystal has the most amount of details, it's more complete and perfect. And the depth perception are achieved with different shadings of the purple and the dark blue, create that nice, rich contrast that really pleases the eye and draws the viewer in. While all this sounds very grand and all, the painting process is just a repetition of shading and removing. And the shading process is when I try to shading the darker values and make sure that no two facets of the crystal has the same colors so that it creates a nice 3D looks. And the removing is done through using a scrubber to create nice highlight facet that has a smooth edge showing the perfect smoothness of the crystal. And last but not least, I really like how the purple, which suggests that it's an amethyst geode, contrasts really nicely with the yellow edge that suggests a cross cut of a different type of minerals that really makes the painting really exciting. So I'm curious, does this painting spark your interest in treasure hunting, or is it just me? I really like to hear your thoughts in the comments. And do you think I should create an entire collection for rare stones and jewelries? Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this piece as much as I enjoyed creating it. So keep dreaming and maybe dream of treasures.